Tech 2005 new classes in USA. Let's start the video details.
Hey there, tech lovers. Welcome back to Technology Tide USA, your go-to spot for the hottest tech trends. I'm Mon, and today, we're diving into the future. We're looking at the top 5 mind-blowing gadgets of 2025 that are poised to change how you live, work, and play. These aren't just concepts. These are the devices hitting the market and making waves across the US. From intuitive holographic hubs to stylish augmented reality glasses, the innovation is next level. So get ready to have your mind blown. Let's jump right in. Kicking things off at number 5, we have smart rings. These tiny pieces of tech are making a huge impact in 2025, and they're way more than just a fashion statement. We're talking about health tracking, contactless payments, and subtle notifications, all packed into something you barely notice you're wearing. Brands like Oura and Samsung are refining their offerings, making them sleek, stylish, and functional. The AI integration provides personalized insights and coaching based on your data. Imagine tapping your ring at Target or Starbucks to pay, no phone or wallet needed. Starting at around $300, they're not an impulse buy, but the technology and convenience make it justifiable. For anyone looking to get a deeper understanding of their health and well-being, the 2025 smart ring is definitely something to keep a close eye on. Coming in at number 4, we're taking to the skies with pocket-sized 8K drones. Companies like DJI and Hover Air are engineering incredibly compact drones that fit into your pocket, yet record in stunning 8K resolution. The level of detail you can capture with an 8K sensor in such a small form factor is mind-boggling. This is a game changer for anyone serious about videography, whether you're a professional or just want epic vacation videos. The sensor technology and image stabilization deliver remarkably smooth and cinematic shots. Many of these pocket rockets start around $200, making high-end aerial cinematography accessible. The ease of use has improved dramatically, with intuitive apps and AI-powered flight modes. If you're looking to elevate your content creation game or capture your adventures from a new perspective, these pocket-sized 8K drones are a must-see. They're small, but their impact is massive. At number 3, we have AR glasses that actually look cool. Companies like Meta and Snap are dropping new generations of lightweight, stylish glasses that you wouldn't feel self-conscious wearing. The 2025 models integrate sophisticated AR capabilities, enhancing reality without replacing it. Imagine navigation arrows overlaid on your view, guiding you to your destination, or recipe steps projected in front of your eyes as you cook. Meta and Snap are making the displays brighter, the field of view wider, and the overall experience more intuitive. Starting at around $500, they're an investment. But the potential to replace or augment some functions of your smartphone makes the price justifiable. The designs are more refined, the technology more capable, and the use cases genuinely practical and desirable. If they nail the execution, these AR glasses could fundamentally change how we interact with information and the world around us. Sliding into the number 2 spot, we have AI-powered earbuds. Bose and Sony are bringing next-generation earbuds that are powerful personal assistants. Think real-time language translation and noise cancellation that creates a bubble of focus or tranquility. These earbuds can connect to your calendar, manage your schedule, and help you draft quick replies using voice commands. Starting at around $150, these AI earbuds are remarkably accessible. People are sharing clips of themselves using the translation feature or showcasing the noise cancellation in chaotic environments. Bose and Sony are delivering a productivity and communication tool that lives in your ears. These AI earbuds are poised to become an indispensable companion for anyone looking to enhance their daily efficiency and interactions. Claiming the number 1 spot, we have holographic smart home hubs. Amazon and Google are bringing sci-fi level technology into our living rooms with interactive 3-dimensional holograms. Imagine a hub that projects a 3D interface into the air, allowing you to control your home with simple hand gestures. Want to dim the lights? Just wave your hand over the holographic light icon. This holographic interface makes smart home control more visual, interactive, and accessible. Starting at around $400, these hubs are a bit of a splurge, but worth it for those on the bleeding edge of technology. Early adopters and tech enthusiasts are obsessed with the concept. This innovation offers a glimpse into a completely new way of interacting with our digital lives and homes. And that's it for today's top 5 mind-blowing gadgets of 2025 on Technology Tide USA. We're seeing innovation that genuinely enhances how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Which gadget are you most excited about? Drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the tech of tomorrow, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech goodness. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay techy, USA.